In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can automatically save screenshots on iOS 26. This is going to work in future iOS versions as well. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do first is actually open up your settings on your device and scroll down to this general tab right here and select it. From here, scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see a screen capture option. Go ahead and open up that setting. And from here, you're going to see an option to turn off full screen previews. Essentially, go ahead and just select this off. And if you do have CarPlay screenshots on, I would also recommend just turning off CarPlay screenshots just to make your life a little bit easier. Once you turn that off, all you got to do is simply go ahead and just use the volume up and the side button, or just simply ask Siri to take a screenshot for you. But boom, take a screenshot. And now those screenshots are going to be automatically saved to your Photos app, and you're not going to have to do that extra step of hitting that little check mark up in the top right. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.